In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, from your home screen, you need to select Settings, then find and select System, and click on Languages and Input. And here just pick Languages, and go to Add a Language. Pick the one that you would like to apply, then slide it up to the first place, and as you can see from now on, the whole device is in picked language. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just remove unnecessary language, tap on Remove, mark the language that you would like to delete, click on bin icon, and confirm that you would like to remove this language. And then you can pick another one, just the same way as we did it at first. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.